guys, so today we're going to unbox the Govee or Govee, whichever way you pronounce it. It's the RGBIC Pro LED strip light. So it works with Google and it works with Alexa. So this is the box right here. So on the side right here it says colorful lighting, DIY mode, music mode, segment color mode, set timers, safe to use. And on the back it gives you like the current rating, the voltage rating, and the contact number. It gives you a barcode where you can just scan and go right to the Govee home app. So let's unbox it. Hello? Nah. So here So guys, that's pretty much it. We have the adapter right here, the charging or the power cable. We got the manual right here. We got the barcode to download the Govee app, and if you need help and all those stuff and where you should share the information. You have the alcohol pad. You have, I'm guessing these are some tacks right here, more tacks. And then we have, I believe this is 35 feet or 32 feet, and this is your control right here. But I think you can control it on your phone or by voice, whether it be Google or Alexa. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this unboxing video. Let me know in the comment section, what do you like about this? Do you have one? Are you planning on getting one? And just leave some questions in the comment section if you have any questions, guys. But that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far in the video, you definitely like the content, so please consider subscribing. Also, before I go, you might be wondering, is this quality good? The build quality compared to some other cheap ones that you got at the dollar store or the Five Below store, it is pretty good. It has a good build quality. I know Govee, for specifically, they are good in these lighting equipments like LED strips. I think you have even like the bulbs and so on, even the outdoor equipment. I think they're like the flagship in this world of technology, like for LED strips and all those stuff. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Until then, guys, I'm out. Peace.